Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bet365 poker app on any mobile device. In this case I'm using iPhone, but it's the exact same for Android. So go to either the App Store or the Google Play Store. I'm going to go to the App Store here. Bottom right is the search page. Start typing in Bet365 poker. Click search and you actually get an advertisement for the app. I usually like to skip these and go to the first organic link. So this is the Bet365 Texas Hold'em Poker app. And as it says GET, I've never downloaded it before. So click this button. From there, confirm with a double tap on the side. It confirms my Face ID. And then make sure that you've got a good internet connection before downloading. This is going to download for us right here. And I will be back once this is finished. Okay everyone, so Bet365 Poker app has now downloaded on this device. It gives us the option to open the app. Click that. Would you like to send notifications? Don't allow. And from there, you can actually see that Bet365 Poker has installed on this device. If you do have an account, you can go to username and password, type those in and log in. Or if you do not have an account, go to the join button on the left-hand side right there. And it's going to give you the option to join Bet365. So, guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.